Okay, on to the next session. Our first speaker is going to be Elise Stroback, and Elise is going to talk about optically transparent, thermally insulating, single-pane windows. Thank you. Multi-pane windows.
All right, well, good morning. My name is Elise Stroback, and I'm a fifth-year mechanical engineer here at MIT working on my PhD. And I'm really excited today to talk to you about an exciting material that I work on that's going to revolutionize our windows. Our buildings have an energy problem. If you've ever had to stand near a window on a cold day, you felt this problem firsthand. Our windows are the lossiest part of our buildings. And in fact, every year, $20 billion goes right out the window during winters in the United States. That's enough to power half of the homes in America. So why, in today's sustainable, efficient, pushing market, are we still allowing this heat loss to escape? Well, our windows need to be transparent. And that means that the materials that we can use to insulate them are limited. And in fact, window manufacturers have done a great job for many years of pushing those materials to their limits. But now we're reaching a revolution. We need something to help us get better at some kind of affordable price. So let me further illustrate this. Imagine for a minute that you're about to build a new home, and you have to pick what windows to put inside. So you are going to be interested in the cost per window compared to the thermal performance. So you might choose to put in double panes. Like 80% of homes in America, this is the most cost-effective way to meet building code. But what if you want better thermal comfort, or maybe to make a better sustainable energy choice for your house? Well, there are certainly options that you can go with, but you're going to pay significantly more to get that. In fact, these triple pane windows oftentimes take decades to pay back. And this really hits home to the problem that we have in today's market. Your window solutions are either affordable or efficient, but not both. What if we could change that? What if we could find a way to make our windows as high performing as triple panes, but with the price tag of a double pane? Well, I'm excited to tell you that we have a solution, and it's called the AeroShield material. And this is a picture of it right here. This is the star of the show. Now, you might look at this and say, wow, that's a really nice picture of a pane of glass. And in some way, you'd be right. The base of this material is simply glass. But there's more going on here than meets the eye. In fact, this material is 95% air. Air that's been trapped in nanopores so small that your eye can't even see them. But these nanopores enable this material to be 100 times more insulating than traditional glass. And that's a pretty amazing combination. So when we take this material and we optimize it, we engineer it through 5 years of hard work at research here at MIT, what we end up getting is an amazing combination of properties. Something that's as transparent as glass, twice as insulating as air, and lighter than a marshmallow, which is a perfect combination for our building materials. And in fact, it is this unique blend of properties enabled by a nanostructure that we've actually been able to patent. So that means that AeroShield is truly a one-of-a-kind material. So when we take this material and put it between two panes of glass, just like a normal double pane window, you start to see the performance. It's 50% more insulating than a traditional double pane. It adds 5 to 10 years of lifetime to your traditional windows. And it pays back 3 to 5 times faster than anything with comparable performance. Now that's a pretty amazing story right there. But there's more to this that makes AeroShield even better. And it's the way that we plan to take this material to market. We simply have to add this AeroShield into the existing channel in order to have these amazing windows today. So by selling this material directly to an insulated glass unit manufacturer, they go along their same process of buying 2 panes of glass and sealing them together. But instead of using air in between them, now they simply use our material, and they have something that's 50% more insulating than 80% of what we install in homes. Now this means that we come in at a lower cost point than anybody else who has to build up new window manufacturing from the ground up. It means that our production can be simpler, because as if you look around your homes, you see that no two windows are truly alike in terms of style, size, and need. And additionally, because we can use the existing distribution chains and all of these relationships that the insulated glass unit manufacturers have spent decades to build up, we can enter the market through them even faster. And this means that for the AirShield material, every year, residential homes, commercial buildings, there's a $4.5 billion market for our material. So by very strategically entering this market and growing, we can expand to really change each new generation of homes and businesses that we install. And in particular, this is amazing because this AirShield material can save $3 billion in energy with every new generation of buildings that we install in North America. And that's why we really think that this AirShield material is the clear choice for window insulation. So please stop by the poster. We're always looking for partners to help us develop, and in particular now we're working on a commercial prototype to really, without a doubt, prove this amazing performance. Thank you.